Alrighty, so before this video gets started out, I want to let you guys know that some of these videos are from the past 2 weeks. So probably from the middle of last week all the way to today, which I just got back from vertical tilling. So you'll see that towards the end of this video. So just to give you guys a heads up, I'm gonna try to play it in order. So it'll be in order for the most part, but a lot of the planting and the field cultivating is actually what I'm going to put first. That's all from last week, or over the weekend. So just wanted to give you guys that heads up, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, our first planting video I should say. So hope you guys enjoy, and we'll talk later. slipping here pretty good. I have 40% slip. So if I had like 100% slip, that mean I wouldn't be going anywhere. So but for the most part, for where this field is, this is actually pretty damn dry. So we're right below a hill here. Right now because we are in this smaller field and there's honestly no need for it, so anyways, I do have some bad news here. I had a bunch of footage from field cultivating and like 3 hours worth of it, and it's gone. I don't know what the hell happened. I think, my guess is something went corrupt with the, when I was, loading it onto the computer, so hopefully I can get, if I can get it, I'll put it in a video, but I don't know where it is, so I've looked all over the place and I can't find it. Okay, so I do have some video though left from, I got some really cool drone footage of us planting, and I've also got some of us field cultivating too. And then I do have some in-cap footage of us field cultivating. I had it in front of the tractor and in the back, facing in front and facing back, so those are all I had. So kind of sucks, but it is what it is. But we are not anywhere close to being done with planting, so don't worry. We have plenty of footage on your, you guys have plenty of footage on your way. That's why I haven't been putting stuff up, so otherwise I'd be putting stuff up. But this video actually is getting mixed up a little bit today because yesterday was part of the footage that I lost. Yeah, but I absolutely love this vertical till. This thing, you can go fast with it. Thunderstorms rolling in. I want to make sure we don't get any of those, or I'm hoping we don't. So we do not need any more rain right now for the moment. Some fields it would have been nice to have a little shot of rain to settle the dust, but that I was doing yesterday, it was really dusty when I was field cultivating it. So, but for the most, we do have a couple more properties that need field cultivating done. So I'll try to of the door here, but because we just had a lightning strike right by the place. So it's about 10 o'clock, so these storms are supposed to be rolling in pretty quick here. So, but this is actually our first really big storm of the year, and this isn't even severe. This isn't even severe warned now for our thing, but I'm like, there's lightning all over the place, and it's pretty cool. So could have held off though until tomorrow because we weren't done doing our vertical tilling. That is what it is though. This, hopefully we don't get a huge amount of rain that I can finish up tomorrow night maybe. Anyways, they're talking hail. Yep, there's another big one there. They're talking hail for this, so I got the 245 sitting at the farm that we were doing, that we were vertical tilling, and the 215 is right over there. So just sitting here waiting. Here it comes. Picks up. You guys see that tree right over there? It's starting to go. When the hitting with straight line winds. When this first came in, you could feel your ears pop, kind of like when you're going up into the air in an airplane when the pressure changes. Because I'm sure this is the front. There it goes. This storm seems to be moving pretty slow. we just missed a pretty big boom of thunder there. The lightning bolt was pretty damn close, so I was making sure all the windows were shut. Alright, well, sorry if the wind is really bad for you guys.
We're now 84.
So I just got off taking this get you guys some action footage, so back up in here and keep trucking on this. I got headlamps due on it yet, so go up that fence line there and pretty much it. Anyways, well, as you can see, just finishing up some of the areas here. anyways, I'm gonna keep going on this. This field's almost done, and talk to you guys when I'm headed on over to the. Alrighty, guys. So I'm gonna take a. I'm gonna be quitting for tonight because I went over and looked at that field and it said she's still kind of wet. So, anyways, I was gonna be waiting off on this video for a little bit, but I think I'm gonna put it up tomorrow. I have some time to edit tonight, so I'll get this edited up, give it to you guys tomorrow. So, anyways, well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Jake Lins. We'll talk to you guys later.